Do you remember CircuitMess? But today we are going to explore CircuitMess by making our own clock. Check out Clockstar. From coding to soldering, we can learn so much. We have our main board and we have these resistors, so let's follow our step-by-step guide. Next up is an LED and we are going to solder it as well. Soldering time. We are all done soldering, so let's test it out. It works! Time to do the casing. The case is ready. Check this out. I have put together and soldered my own watch. Thank you, CircuitMess.